Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play canon on guitar. This beautiful and well-known piece, often heard at weddings, is a fantastic choice for guitarists of all levels. We'll break it down into easy-to-manage steps, focusing on a simplified arrangement in the key of C major. You'll learn the core chords and a straightforward fingerpicking pattern to get you started. Let's begin with the heart of canon, its repeating chord progression. In the key of C, it follows a pattern of C, G, a minor, E minor, F, C, F, and then G. This sequence repeats throughout the piece. Take your time to practice each chord change, ensuring your fingers move cleanly and efficiently. A steady, even strum for each chord will help you build a solid foundation. Once you're comfortable with the chord changes, we'll add a simple fingerpicking pattern. For chords like C, a minor, and F, use your thumb on the 5th string, then your index, middle, and ring fingers on strings 4, 3, and 2 respectively. When you switch to G or E minor, move your thumb to the 6th string, keeping the other fingers on strings 4, 3, and 2. Practice this pattern slowly for each chord. To truly master canon, consistent practice is key. Begin at a very slow tempo, perhaps using a metronome, to ensure each note is clear and every chord change is smooth. As you gain confidence, you can gradually increase your speed. For a richer sound, try adding simple melody notes on the 1st string, often found at the 3rd or 5th fret, to complement the underlying chords and picking pattern.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.